Wow. So, welcome to another episode of Dumb Money. And today we're going to be looking at an Apple product. And so, they have finally released their Vision Pro, or at least announced it for release. And at first glance, well, it doesn't look like something that we haven't seen before. As a matter of fact, it looks like just about every other VR headset that we've seen been released for years now. But as Apple like to say, or they used to like to say, think different. And the Vision Pro is different. In one sense, I would say this is probably one of the best looking VR. In this case, they want to call it an AR headset first, augmented reality, as you could see. But this could also be used for VR applications. I would say the design physically looks really cool. Looks like a movie, like Player One, something like that, where the front of it's clear, but it projects all these AR augmented reality things right above it. And as you can see here, you can see some of the applications of this. And this is where I kind of feel this could be dumb for a lot of people. And the main reason why it's dumb is not really the technologies, it's the price. And so the price of this, whenever it's released, is going to be $3,499 or $3,500. That's absolutely ridiculous for getting a headset that you could see screens and stuff on, and that's something that other headsets can do. But obviously, at this price, hopefully, the experiences is going to be better for people who want to pay for this Apple Vision Pro. And as usual, I don't think these Apple products are worth the price that they're asking. But I will say that whenever they do bring things out, they do try to make it different enough or with more quality than other things that have been tried before. At least that's my general thought. But I still think as a whole, most Apple products for the price are dumb. So that's the first thing. It's really the price, in my opinion, that makes it dumb. And in terms of the application and uses, it doesn't really show you anything that really hasn't been done before. It's just going to do it probably better than other devices have tried. So they really want this to be the all-in-one headset that you use for not only entertainment, but maybe also for work as well, where this is going to be your operating system. And even though that's going to be a very lofty goal, because I don't think a lot of people in the real world want to wear a headset for an extended amount of time, even if the experience is pretty awesome. But in this case, if you're just going to put on a headset where you could actually use your operating system or your phone, I don't see the value proposition there. Where I think this is really going to be important is maybe with the technology that they have. And this is probably going to be catered more towards businesses. So if it works as well as it seems, and also some of the initial reviews and thoughts on this, then it'll probably work better for things like medical devices, automotive industries, design, the healthcare industry. So that's where I could see this type of very expensive but advanced technology make sense. But for the average everyday consumer, at least at this point at $3,500, I just really think it's dumb. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.